Hey guys, today I'm going to do the unboxing from Hermes, which is just a little box, as you can see, right? Let's start it. What is it inside? Go. You have the invoice just in this little pouch. Right, so this is the box. Ta-da. So the detail on it, they have changed. So this year 2019. So you have the logo Hermes 2019 in the pursuit of dreams. Right, it's so even, right? Okay. Get back on it. Oh, the other one. Alright, let's see. Alright. So, this is so soft. I mean, it's kind of suede material. Right. So actually, I got this. Ta-da! So I got the bracelet, happy, free, which means it's the triple tour. So as you can see, let's take it on focus right there. Right. I got the golden hardware. You can see the stitching here. It says Hermes on it. It's clear, right? Right. So this is kind of like brown color. And in the other way, it's like, I don't know how it's like. It's not the same color when I put the flash on. It's not really the same color. Anyway, so they have changed the side. Now it's T3, which mean in French, taille 3, size 3, right? And this is the serial number on it. And in the other side of the hardware, you can see, let me move it a little bit closer. There you go. You can see the Hermes and a little stamp on it, just right here. Just right here, the stamp, just here, see? And what's that on it? Oh, here it's made in France. And then in the other way, you have the serial number, which is so small. 11 and 17. Yeah, 11, which match with this, I guess. With this, it's 11, and she said 11, also 17. Right. All right. Then just again, there's nothing special on it. Just want to show you how it's look. Then on my wrist, it's quite streaky. Like I need to put it with my contour of my hands. It's like 4 tour. You can see. Oh shit. Oh, sorry. In my hands, it's gonna be like 4 tour on it. Let's see if I can. It's quite tricky if it's coming on. Right. So basically it's on way in the middle, in the second. You should put it in the second one. Always. Second one. So it's kind of like that. Hermes Happy 3 in golden hardware. There you go. Have a nice day.